Okay, question 1. School, there's 43% of students study agriculture, which ones don't? So 43% do. Sorry, my pen didn't work. 43% do. And you want to find out the ones that don't, you end up just putting in your calculator 100, take your 43, that gets you 57. 57% is our answer. Okay, next. How many students are there in total? So 3 classes of 27, 3 times 27 equals 81. And then there's another class of 28, so you've got to add 28 to that, 81 plus 28. And that will end up getting you 109 when you add it up. You can use calculators for these ones, so I won't go doing a lot of the working out exactly. For this one, you need to figure out a 10% discount. 10% equals 0.1, and therefore the quick way is to take that away from 1, because 1 is 100%. 100% equals 1. 0.1 away from 1 will be 0.9. So you need to write down 90%. 120 times by 0.9 gives you your 90%, gives you 108, which is your answer. You could also have just figured out 10%, 0.1 times 120, and then subtract that away. That would be another way of doing it. Question 4. Plant is 1 meter and 26 centimeters high. What is it in centimeters? Well, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And then you've also got another 26. You just need to add 100 plus 26, and that will get you 126. Question 5. We've got 2 quarters plus a third. To add these up, you just need to make sure that the denominators are the same. So I'm going to multiply both those two numbers by that number. And then I'm going to do both of these two by 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Keep my addition sign, and then just add them together. 10 twelfths. Which can be simplified by dividing both of them by 2, because they're both even numbers, to 5 sixths. So that's going to be C. Question 6. 100 identical boxes of equipment. If one of them is 2.73, what's 100 going to be? So you've got to do 2.73 for one of them, multiply by 100, and put that straight in your calculator, and you're going to get 273. Okay. Teacher bought 3 pens, each costing $1.35. So you do $1.35 times 3, which I believe will be $4.05. How much change will you get? Just do $20 take 4.05, and should get you $15.95. Question 8. A group of 4 students do 2 assessments. In the first task, each of the 4 students get 4 marks, so 4 times 4 is 16. And the second task, 3 of the students get 3 marks. 3 times 3 is 9. And 1 student gets 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. And you just have to add them all up. 16 plus 19 is 25 plus 2, 27. Again, just use your calculator for all these calculations if unsure. Okay, Paul has dimensions 3 by 2 by 6. What's in litres? 3 times 2 is 6 times 6 equals 36. So it's 36 meters cubed. Hopefully it equals 1,000 litres. And because it's got 36 cubic meters, we're going to have 36 lots of 1,000. Which will be 36,000 litres. Question 10. Teacher buys a pen for $2.25, eraser for $3.15, ruler for $2.80. What's the total cost? Just need to add them all up, put them in your calculator. And that will get you your answer. 0, 1, 3, 4, 12, 1, and that's 8. 820. Okay, teacher orders 30 rulers, 78 cents each. What's the cost in dollars of the order? So that one's just going to be 30 times $7.80. Just put that straight in your calculator. $234. Actually, there's a big mistake that I made there. Obviously, that's way too big. Times by 78 cents, not $78. 0.78 times your 30. $23.40. Okay. What is that number in kilos? You just got to divide by 1,000 because it's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. When you put that straight in your calculator, and you end up getting 68.49 kilos. Okay, teacher planning excursion, and it's Year 6 students. It's $400 per student. The combination is 2/5. So if 400 equals 2/5, then you just need to put 400 divided by 2/5 to get the whole. And that will actually get you 1, as in the cost of the whole thing. So we go from the top row to the second row by just dividing both sides by 2.5. So 400, not 2.5, 2 divided by 5, the 2/5 are divided both sides are, and that will get you 1,000. That's your answer. Okay, only a couple more questions to go. In a class test, 3 of 25 students got 4 marks. What percentage did not? Well, if 3 out of 25 did, that means 22 out of 25 didn't. You can just do 22 divided by 25 times 100 in your calculator. If you know that 25 you multiply by 4 to make 100, you just need to multiply this top one by 4 as well. So you get your answer of 88%. And last question. City has population 12 million, 8% are from Oceania. How many of thousands of cities' residents are from Oceania? Well, if 8% are, you just need to do 0.08 times your 12 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The answer that you end up getting, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, will be 960,000. 960,000. Ignore my little dot there. 960,000 that is, and yeah, when it says how many actual thousands, it was going to be 960 of those thousands, so that's going to be between 900 and 1,000. So that's our first little test. Just leave any questions in the comments below if you have any. Thank you so much for your time.